Gorgeous home located in coveted River Woods Homes neighborhood. Situated on a cul-de-sac with a quiet flat backyard. This home is a dream come true for those looking for a home with exterior space for playing, gardening, relaxing and enjoying our weather all year round. Inside you'll be greeted by a spacious foyer and the solid craftsman banister leading to the upper and lower levels. Upstairs you have 3 bedrooms, a smartly laid out kitchen with stainless steel appliances, an eat-in kitchen which leads to a colossal deck, an informal dining area and living room. LL has another 2 bedrooms all spacious, a large storage room plus a family room that will attract anyone with its attractive updates. There's also an office for your WFH days. Be sure to check out the oversized 2-car garage. So many updates and so lovingly cared for, this home and its location near Red Oak Park and trails is sure to delight.